Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I just wanted to bring you a quick video. I'm gonna be installing or reinstalling, I guess, this Power Core 2 shorty on my YZ85. So yeah, it used to be on the bike when I rode it, because this is my first dirt bike. My dad bought it for me, and then my sister started riding it, and this little shorty was just retarded loud. So they wanted to switch it back for something that was, the stock one that was quiet. And so it's so fucking money, dude. It's a fucking leg. My backyard's really messy, but I'm gonna open this. Let's see. Alright, there she is, along with my two KTMs. One is a 202 stroke, and this is a 302 stroke. It's originally was a 250 SX, but it has a 300 jug kit. Both super built, have like a shit ton of mods. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on more bikes and stuff. I kind of plan on like, here, we'll put this locker down right here. I want to plan on doing like some like riding videos and stuff. I ordered a microphone for my GoPro so I can get that going. But yeah, so let me know if you guys want to see some more videos on bikes and stuff. But I'm gonna get this out of here. My fucking yard is so messy, bro. Alright, so there she is. I'll show you the bike a little bit. So completely 100% stock, except for the Pro Taper bars. I have this little blue, like eBay, unbreakable lever. The bars are super wide. I never trimmed them, so like it's kind of fun. It's funny riding it, but you feel like you have a lot of control, honestly. And there's what we're gonna be taking off. Fuck, let's tie a tripod. That stock one. But yeah, I want to do like a stock comparison. So I'm gonna try to start this, but it's really cold. As you can see, there's snow on the ground, so I do not know how that's gonna go. But it was started a few days ago, so it shouldn't be that bad. Choke on. I left the fuel on by accident, so rip if she's gummed up a little bit, but look at that, boy. Second picture fired up. It's literally like fucking 32 degrees out, 30 degrees out, just below freezing. And I got this thing started. Hasn't been started for a few days. It's been like started for the season. Sounds kind of sketchy, but yeah, dude, this thing's been sending it for a minute, dude. My first bike. I'm 18 now. Been riding 2011. This has been family the whole time. So this is what it sounds like stock. The packing's probably so like worn down. It's probably like just as loud as the shorty, but yeah. I don't want to rev it too much because I'm in town. Like my neighbors probably all fucking about to be pissed as fuck, but yeah. So that's what it sounds like stock. I'm gonna get in the garage and yeah. So let me shut this. It's fucking cold out. Get some lights on in here. I don't know why this thing's still on, to be honest. Oh, alright. So we're in the garage now. Got my WRX behind me. She's been sitting, chilling in the garage. As you can see, my truck's out there. I've been dailying that. Alright. So let's see if this is a 10. Actually, I think it's like an 8 or something. Yo, I remember. So little backstory. I actually got this FMF silencer for like Christmas, like when I first got this bike. So that's how I got that. This one, oh. So two, I don't know if this is, you could classify this as a how-to video, and that's probably, you're probably supposed to take the seat off. Definitely supposed to take the seat off for that to come out, but I just sent it. Alright. So now you have this big ass ugly stock silencer, and I'll go get the other silencer and I'll be right back. Here it is, guys. Could have cleaned it off a little bit. Still got mad oil in it from the last time she was on there. But there's a comparison of the shorty. So yeah, let's get to it. This is another 8mm. Alrighty. So, oh no. Alright, well that's not good. The rag over here. So yeah, that's fucking gross, dude. It's been leaking, and transfer this little grommet piece and this grommet piece right here, I think, from this silencer to the other one. And then, so that came off pretty easy because there's mad oil in there. And, you know, it kind of looks like a bitch to get out, honestly. I'll try to put this on here. I don't know. This probably is, like, you could probably do this a more proper way. But I'm just gonna send it. So, let me try to do this and I'll be right back. Alright, so you'll need to switch that grommet over. I got it in. Took a little finesse in. Ripped it a little bit, but it's gonna send just fine. Alright. Nice. That's all you need. Jeez, man. I'm sure these bolts are super easy to strip, so don't really want to over tighten them. Alright, she's on there. Alright, let's open the garage, start her up, see what it sounds like now. Oh my god, dude. Alright, so I don't know what these fools are doing, bro, driving by all slow and shit. Alright, so it died, but that's what it sounds like. Dumb loud. Start it up again. Alright, so that's the Power Core 2 Shorty on a YZ85. Looks pretty sick, honestly. I need to clean it all up and give this thing a wash. I should get like a sick graphics kit for it and stuff, but yeah, this is 2005 YZ85. Out with this old trash. Alrighty guys, that's the video. Subscribe, comment down if you want to see more bike vids. Yeah, later.